how to bulk delete posts in WordPress. Log in to your WordPress admin dashboard. There's a menu on the left sidebar with different options. When you hover your cursor over Posts option, it pops out more options. Then click the All Posts option. This page shows all the posts that we have published so far. Any saved draft post is also shown here. Now check the boxes to select the posts you want to delete. Then select Bulk Actions, Move to Trash. You can also click this title box up here and select all posts at once. And then click the Apply button next to the Bulk Action button. This is how you delete posts in WordPress. I hope this video is useful for you. Thank you for watching.